Hi everyone, today we are going to get started on some dimensional analysis practice. We are looking specifically at dimensional analysis worksheet number 3. So I can't wait for you guys to join me. We're going to kill this music a little bit and we are going to get right into work. So everybody enjoy this and please follow along with me as I go through these problems. Take care everybody. Hello and welcome back. We are looking at dimensional analysis worksheet number 3, and that ding means it is time for us to start going over some dimensional analysis problems. I'm going to choose a couple from this sheet, and the first one we're going to look at is number 4. So 33 yards is equal to how many centimeters? Again, what do we want? We want centimeters. X centimeters equals, what do we have? We have 33 yards. All right. Conversion factor. We can go from yards to meters. If yards are on the top here to cancel, we need to put them on the bottom. And we're going to go to meters. For every 1 yard, we have 0.9144 meters. We can now then go from meters to centimeters. Meters cancel. And the meter gets the 1, and the centimeter gets 100. Everything on the top is multiplied. Everything on the bottom is divided. When we work through this math, we get 3017.52. But please, please, please make sure and understand that we need to round this correctly. We start with 2 sig figs, we're going to end with 2 sig figs. So that's going to bring us to 3.0. We have to write this as a scientific notation. 3.0 times 10 to the third centimeters. I'm actually going to go back to a little bit larger of a pen tip on that one. 3.0 times 10 to the third centimeters. All right, let's take a look at number 7. 2,500 nickels is equal to how many yen? So we want X yen, I'm just going to do a Y, equals 2,500 nickels. Get our conversion factor. Nickel to dollar. $1 is 20 nickels. Nickels cancel. And now we can go $1 to 115.7 yen, and we're getting that conversion from this equality right there. Dollars cancel. Everything on the top is multiplied. 2,500 times 115.7. Everything on the bottom is divided. 2 sig figs to begin with. Rounding our answer to 2 sig figs, we get 14000 yen, 14,000 yen. Continuing on, let's take a look at number 9. The average distance from the Earth to the Moon is that many kilometers. How many miles is this? So, again, what are we looking for? We are looking for X miles. What do we have? 384,403 km. Looking at our equality sheet, we see that we can go from km to miles in one step. Km's cancel because it is top to bottom. And for every 1 mile, we have 1.609 kilometers. Dividing this out, we get, rounding to the correct number of sig figs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get 238,908. Miles. I'm sorry about that. 238,908 miles. All right. Let's keep going. Let's take a look now at number 12. If 12.01 grams of carbon equal 1 mole. That is an equality. We're going to use that as a conversion factor. How many moles of carbon are in 42 grams? So this is our problem. What do we want? We want X moles of carbon equals 42 grams. Now, in order to cancel, grams have to go on the bottom. And we know from this conversion factor right here that 12.01 grams is equal to 1 mole. So please understand, guys, you can get a conversion factor right from the question itself. We're left with moles, grams cancel. All we need to do here is divide 42 divided by 12.01. And this gives us 3.5 significant figures moles of carbon. Let's take a look at 13. Again, reading this, if 1 mole, let's change our highlighter color, that's kind of fun. If 1 mole of carbon contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, there is our conversion factor. How many atoms are contained in 3.5 moles? So, X atoms, go AT, equals 3.5 mole. Conversion factor, mole has to go on the bottom in order to cancel. And from here we see we can go from moles to atoms. 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Multiplying this out, don't forget how to multiply this. We're going to use that E, that second comma. And when we do this multiplication, we get, rounding to the correct number of sig figs, 2.1 times 10 to the 24th atoms. Let's take a look at number 14 now. The height of a stack of 7 pennies measures approximately 1 centimeter. If we were to stack a mole of pennies, and here's our conversion factor again, 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, how high would it be expressed in kilometers? So we want to find X kilometers equals 1 mole of pennies. We'll go 1 mole of pennies for short. So from here we could see we now need a conversion for moles. And we're going to take that and go to pennies. We know that 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd pennies. And here we have another conversion factor. 7 pennies is 1 centimeter. So here we can go 7 pennies is equal to 1 centimeter. Moles of pennies cancel. Pennies cancel. Centimeter on the bottom to meter. 100 centimeters to 1 meter. And then 1,000 meters to 1 kilometer. Going through, we can now multiply and divide. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd times 1 times 1 times 1 divided by 7 divided by 100 divided by 1,000. And we get 8.6 times 10 to the 17th kilometers, which this would really go to 9 times 10 to the 17th, keeping our significant digits in order. Hey everybody, it has been my pleasure. I hope this has helped you, figuring out how to convert those units, how to cancel out. Remember, if we start on the top, we need to go to the bottom with the unit in order to cancel. Use your conversion factors, use your equalities. Everybody, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in class next time. And with that, let the music take us out. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.